How to see your Snapchat call history. Hey guys! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your call history on Snapchat. The steps are very simple, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat app. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you see the Clear Data option and tap on it. Here, you'll see several options. Simply tap on Clear Conversations. This section shows all your recent chats, which include your call history. You can delete any conversation by tapping the X next to it. A confirmation will pop up. Just tap Clear to delete that specific conversation. And that's it. That's how you can view and manage your Snapchat call history.